na nababo kabalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, a pro in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa bagong bukas na Tiger Sugar Milk Tea dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Brother, one of the top 10 brands of milk tea sa Philippines.
And I heard yung consistency nila from Taiwan to Philippines, iisa lang.
You guys, so if you want to know more about this, if you are interested to know kung ano yung mga orderin mo pagpunta nyo dito, samahan nyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Before you get there, meron silang al fresco area, which is this one. Very suitable dun sa mga nagdadala ng mga pets. So this is a pet-friendly area. Nga pala, so when you go here and you don't know what to order, ito yung top 10 nila. They made it easy for us what to pick. And we have a quite number of customers. Ayan. Brother, this is it.
Dito sa loob, titigman natin kanilang top 10 na milk tea na in-offer nila dito sa Tiger Sugar.
Alright, order na tayo, tara. So once again, thank you so much for being with us in this video, brother.
Yes.
For the first time, we are featuring one of the top 10 in the Philippines. Tiger Sugar. Taiwan is the origin of all milk teas in the world, if I'm not mistaken, brother.
Actually, sila yung nagpauso ng milk tea.
Exactly. And Tiger Sugar is the original brand na nagpauso naman yung sa brown sugar. And if you are new to Tiger Sugar, this is your guide. Ayan, so meron silang top 10 of all the menu. Ito, yung sa likod natin. They made it easy for us.
Actually, mas maganda yun. Mas madali yung pagpili ng flavor. Lalo-lalo na kung bago ka customer dito sa Tiger Sugar.
First off, syempre, titingnan natin yung kanilang top 1. So this is the very famous brown sugar boba and pearl with cream mousse. Available size nito, guys, is just the large one.
Yes.
Okay. Whoa. Cheers. Congratulations, Tiger Sugar.
Speaking of creaminess, yung ginamit nilang milk dito is fresh milk. Kaya kakaiba yung lasa niya.
So this is their number 2. This is called black tea latte. Oh. Try it. Oh wow.
Napaka-evident ng tea niya.
There's the difference.
Yes.
So there's the difference. Mga milk base natin, and then this one's the
Tea base.
tea base, which is very evident na talagang fresh from the leaves talaga sila.
The same time, sa mga sugar level naman, so for this drink, you could customize yung sugar level.
Yeah.
So meron tayong full, meron tayong half, which is yung iniinom natin, and meron din tayong zero.
Zero, okay. For our third try, this is the Choco Hazelnut. And of course, from the top 10, this is the third.
Yes.
Okay, so let's shake it. Wow! So meron siyang parang Nutella.
Nutella,
Choco.
yes.
Okay. Oh wow! I think this is a little bit friendlier.
Yeah.
This is more recommended sa mga kids since it has their
Nutella.
favorite chocolate, which is the Nutella. For the next one, this is their fourth. It's called Tiger Cheese Pearl Milk.
Yes.
Ayan.
Ang difference lang naman nila is sa akin is yung boba.
Sinkers, yeah, so different sinkers. Okay. So if you notice, guys, dun sa mga names natin, we also mentioned yung pinaka-last na word, which is cold, mga ganyan.
Yes.
So dito actually, you can request if you prefer cold or hot dun sa milk natin. Available dun sa menu, hot or cold. Okay? Alright, so let's taste it.
Ito yung meron siyang konting saltiness.
I agree. I agree. A little bit salty and may konting pagka-sour, no?
Yeah. Yung saltiness niya, it's because dun sa tiger cheese.
Wow. And in fairness, parang nagugustuhan ko na yung mga sa mga pearls.
Yes.
Mga maliliit na pearls natin compared to the this one, the traditional, the usual one. This is their top 5 pick for the overall. all, no? So this is the, what they call it, brother?
So ito yung kanilang brown sugar Milo. Yes.
So we have two options. So this one's the boba, and then ito naman yung pudding. So ang packaging natin dito has two, of course.
Yes.
This one's the sealed for takeout, and then this is for the dine-in. Para ma-enjoy nyo yung ano, mga...
Milo itself.
Yeah,
Ayun,
the
no?
Milo.
Ito naman is more on nandun yung taste ng Milo dahil meron siyang powder and yung brown sugar.
Okay.
So this is our 6th cup.
Alright, so I think this time is a great time for us to discuss naman yung 4 kinds of tea nila.
Yes.
So they have 4, right?
So meron silang black tea, green tea, which is jasmine
This
nga.
one,
Meron silang
Oolong.
Yes.
And then the
And yung
others,
kanilang vanilla tea.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Can you smell that, brother? Ang
Actually,
bango, no?
Ang bango nung tea na ginamit nila dito. Yung lasa ng jasmine.
Yeah, ako ngayon, parang very therapeutic, brother. Parang nagre-relax lang.
Actually.
You're in your, bedroom, and the smell of jasmine is parang you're consuming it.
Napakakaiba.
Exactly. This is the 7th cup naman natin we're gonna try. So this is their Tiger Mango Milk. And if you notice, meron siyang
Dalawang size. They are available in XL and yung large.
sinkers, meron tayong mango jelly and real mango bits,
Yes.
brother.
At the same time, on top of it, meron siyang tiger mousse.
Tiger mousse. Okay, so let's shake it. That's a lot of sinkers.
Actually,
Ang dami nun.
ang sarap ng sinkers niya. At the same time, yung kanyang real mango bits.
I think for this one, ito yung drink na parang ayaw mong tigilan. This is a must try.
Yes.
Para sa akin, this is a must try. So for their top 8, this is
Brown sugar with 3 sinkers. Available yung boba, pearl, and pudding.
Wow. Yung variation natin is for the sinkers.
Yes.
You want it all in one, no? May time pearls, may pudding.
May boba. Same time, nakaka-refresh pa din, ha?
Yeah, yeah.
Even, alam naman natin, brown sugar is the original flavor.
Yeah.
So ito yung pang 9 out of 10 na cup natin for today. Yan.
Again, this is their tea-based refreshment. If you notice, guys, wala siyang milk. And at the same time, if you want plain tea lang, no sinkers at all and everything,
they're also
din
available
yun.
dito. And ang ginamit natin ditong tea is oolong.
Cheers! Oh wow. Very Taiwanese.
Yeah.
Yung parang pagdaan mo sa mga alley, ito yung naaamoy mo, no?
Ito yung parang green leaves na napakakaiba compared dun sa jasmine kanina.
Exactly. So this one para sa akin, you're actually in Taiwan while you're drinking it. Napaka unordinary ng flavor nito. This is Philippines.
Yes.
So what an experience. Alright guys, so this is the 10th cup that we are gonna be trying. This is their cafe latte jelly.
Yes, yung mga naman ito, mahilig sa mga coffee jelly
and mga coffee based din ng mga milk tea.
Yes.
Alright, so let's shake it. Oh wow. That one's strong.
Actually, ang tapang ng kape. Hindi ako mahilig sa kape, pero dito na-appreciate ko yung coffee nila. Hindi siya ganun kapait, even though strong yung lasa.
I think if you go here and order this one, ito yung talagang mapapakwento ka kasi tatagal talaga yung drink mo dito. So finally,
Tiger Sugar Pampanga is located dito sa may MacArthur Hiway, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark niya is katabi lang siya ng AUB Bank. And they are open from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yes. They are also available via order and delivery. So make sure to open your favorite, order and delivery app and available din po sila.
And to end up our video, syempre, titikman din natin kanilang mga ice cream.
For me, I'm gonna taste this one. Boba milk tea ice cream bar.
Ako naman is yung kanilang boba milk tea na sugar cone naman.
And a sugar cone.
Hindi lang milk tea yung flavor din, even yung ice cream nila.
Yeah. That is one ice cream bar milk tea. Oh wow. Alright, so let's enjoy it. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here dito sa Tiger Sugar, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.